Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to update system software in Galaxy A15 5G. So for this guys, firstly you have to go to settings here, then scroll down, and as you see here we have an option of a software update and tap to download and install option. So here as you see we have update available, so just tap on install now if you want to install it right now, and if you want to schedule install, so you can tap to schedule install. I want to install it right now, so just tap here, and as you guys see the system is now start updating. Okay, so this process takes some time, just wait. So okay, now guys, as you see the phone is now update. Now go to settings and let's see. And as you see we have an option, we have a message of software update, your phone has been updated. So that's how guys we can update our Galaxy A15 5G. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.